BIM or Building Information Modeling is a collaborative work methodology used for creating and managing architectural and construction projects. Its primary goal is to centralize all project information into a single 3D model, which is collectively developed by every technical stakeholder involved. SketchUp BIM is a protocol designed to standardize architectural and interior design projects, particularly for small to medium-sized scales. Based on BIM 2.0 methodology, this protocol organizes the 3D model built from solid geometries within SketchUp to provide superior information compared to a traditional 3D model or a DWG drawing. This methodology goes beyond the coordination of traditional plan-based projects. By coordinating the 3D geometry in SketchUp and generating automatic annotatable orthographic drawings in Layout, SketchUp's 2D companion application, you can achieve absolute precision and consistency across all your architectural and interior design documentation. The SketchUp BIM protocol operates at a BIM maturity level of 1.5. It integrates BIM 3D geometric and architectural coordination, allows for adding cost information to the 3D model with the Quantifier Pro plugin, generates standardized DWG planimetric information, and supports open BIM collaboration through IFC4 classification in the use of Trimble Connect as a common data environment. This protocol is a natural fit for current professional practices. It's built upon the 3D modeling and CAD technology and knowledge you already possess, making it a seamless transition for your workflow. Go from 3D Modeler to BIM Designer Pro. Unlock next-level collaboration in your architectural and interior projects with our high-performance 33-day SketchUp BIM course.